Please like, share, and subscribe. Begonias are a diverse and popular group of flowering plants known for their attractive foliage and vibrant blooms. They belong to the family Begoniaceae and are native to tropical and subtropical regions. Here are some key features and information about begonia flowers. 1. Variety. Begonias come in a wide range of species and cultivars, with a variety of leaf shapes, sizes, and colors. Some popular types include wax begonias, Begonia semperflorens, tuberous begonias, Begonia tuberhybrida, and rhizomatous begonias. 2. Appearance. The flowers of begonias can be single or double and come in many colors, including white, pink, red, orange, and yellow. The leaves are often as ornamental as the flowers, with patterns and textures ranging from smooth and glossy to hairy and textured, often with striking color variations and patterns. 3. Blooming time. Depending on the type, begonias can bloom from late spring to fall. Some species, such as wax begonias, can bloom almost continuously in suitable conditions. 4. Growth habit. Begonias can be grown as annuals or perennials depending on the climate. They can be bushy, trailing, or upright in habit, making them versatile for different garden settings, including containers, hanging baskets, and garden beds. 5. Care requirements. Light. Begonias prefer bright, indirect light but can tolerate some shade. Tuberous begonias, in particular, need filtered sunlight or partial shade. Soil. They thrive in well-draining, fertile soil. Watering. Regular watering is essential, but it's important to avoid waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Humidity. Begonias prefer high humidity, making them ideal for indoor gardens and humid climates. 6. Propagation. Begonias can be propagated through seeds, cuttings, or division. Leaf cuttings are a common method for many species. 7. Pests and diseases. Begonias are susceptible to pests like aphids, mealybugs, and spider mites. They can also suffer from fungal diseases like powdery mildew and root rot, especially in overly damp conditions. 8. Uses. Begonias are widely used in ornamental gardening due to their attractive flowers and foliage. They are popular in garden beds, borders, containers, and as indoor houseplants. Some begonias, like Rex begonias, are primarily grown for their striking foliage rather than their flowers. 9. Cultural significance. In some cultures, begonias symbolize caution, as well as gratitude and individuality due to their unique and varied appearances. Begonias are appreciated for their beauty and versatility, making them a favorite among gardeners and plant enthusiasts. With the right care, they can provide long-lasting color and interest in both indoor and outdoor spaces.